Lot number 120 is a Champion Rotor Champ air compressor. Working conditions are unknown. It's got 45,926, 45,000 hours. There's the electrical compartment, looks good. Appears to be all in one piece. Here's the mechanical end of it. There's some notes here. Got some new parts in 2018. It's missing the panel on this side that covers all of that up. The panel on the other side is there, but I removed it to show you the insides. Unknown if any parts are missing. Unknown working condition. It's being sold as is. There's the cover back on. It's lot number 120. Good luck.